Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find Alistair Azimuth? Or Azimuth?
Where are you going? This is your responsibility. Don't walk away from me! I said stop!
Hey, Clank, I met this ugly dude named Alistair Azimuth, and he gave me a photo of his ass. Do you want to check it out?
In my solar plexus.
Looks like there's an obsidian eye somewhere in Krill Canyon. I can't lock on any closer.
So what is it this time, Nefarious? You still trying to turn everyone to steak? Or is it just good old-fashioned galactic domination?
Part of me wants to let you live long enough to find out. The other part really wants to kill you. You know, for old time's sake. Decisions, decisions, decisions.
Attention, VX-99 detected. Evacuate all stations.
Well, at least we know what he went with.
Oh, look. I have found a PlayStation 5. Perhaps it's hungry. Hey, PlayStation 5. Would you like a lemon?